You guys, let's pack up. As I said earlier, we are going with all this because where we are going, I don't really know if I can have access of cooking things there. So if it happens that it's hotel, fine. Then that means I have my cooking stuff and then food as well, because I've already this pot used this gas used to select pot. So I've already tested this one. This one is good to go on this gas. So we are going to go with this separate pot for cooking. We are not staying that much, I will just so that you're not going to be looking for stuff. Hey. Have to pack all this stuff. No. So I go pack a This is why I wanted big luggage. I don't know if it's going to reach us at now. Okay, let's draw this gadgets here first. Since one plate is there and this one is there. This is a must, so it's needed. Okay, this stuff will be right now. Everything there. You don't put that in cover. Hey, what? You not cover? If you cover sugar. But that's the let's try to cover first. Let's see. You guys, Sophie is repacking it though. You said I did not pack it well. Anyway, let's see if everything is going to enter there. I think it's doing more arranging than me. I think I just pack and pararam. It's arranging, yeah. Everything enter. I'll be arrange it more than me. So let's zip it so that I think we are going to keep the small cloth inside, but for now, thank God you can lock. Sure, you go lock now. Oh, leave her. Oh yeah, leave her. Maybe later I can put the small clothes on top of it.